Alright guys, in this video we're going to talk about understanding the niche of you. So this basically is going to focus only on your passion, your desire, and your skills. Okay, so let me walk you through this process, and this process is going to be a self-discovery, meaning that we are going to understand and put in writing everything that you are passionate about, you want and have an interest in, and also you feel like that is your purpose for the next coming years. Alright, so when we talk about the niche of you, there are basically three things we want to discuss. First of all, it's the skill. Second will be demand. And the third will be the vision. So under skill, you have talent and history and passion, because the things that you dedicate a lot of time. Under demand, you have interest of research and then marketing trends. And under vision, you have dream, lifestyle, community, and greater purpose. All of these consist of things that you can turn into a business model. Okay, so as you can see the PDF on the side, we are going to go through that together, and you're going to basically understand my own process of doing it and how you can implement it into your business. In this case, I'm going to walk you through my own example, but then again, when you're going through this PDF, I want you to fill in what it is that you have as a talent, as a passion, what it is you find interest within the things that you research in the market that you see on social media or online, and what is your vision that you want to create for the future. What is the lifestyle you want to have, what type of community you would like to be part of, and what is the greater purpose behind everything. Like, what do you want to contribute and leave behind for others to learn from. Okay, so let me walk you through my own process. So for example, in my case, my skill and talent history that I spent a lot of time was building funnels and creating presentations. So this was a bit focused on branding. So I had to repurpose other people's stuff to fit their branding, okay, especially when it comes to presentation and funnels. Now, when it comes to my own passion, I have a creative idea and I would say talent when it comes for designing, probably building and creating stuff, okay? It's not always, I would say, when I do this type of work, I normally don't take in account the time that goes by. So it's such a passionate work. I don't pay attention to what the time is saying, more as to how much time I'm spending or if it's really like worthwhile or not. I just do it because I have a passion for it. Okay, I feel automatically driven to do it. So no one has to tell me to do it. I simply want to do it. Okay. So because of this, whatever I create or have created in the past has always been because of my own interests. Okay, and this is my skill that I'm good at. When it comes to demand, I have certain interests. Interest in systems, in branding, in fashion, in customization or design. So with this in mind, I apply it to everything I do. I apply it to the way I teach. I apply it to the slides I create. I apply it to the design I make. I apply it to the houses I live in, all those things. Even my way of dressing up. Okay, so if I present myself in things that I wear, it always has something to do closely with my personality, and you probably as well. So you have to think about how can you incorporate all those things within your brand. Other than that, I see sometimes things that I find interesting online. Okay, so I may see some brands that I like, I may see some persons that I like, and since I like trends that I see of one-person business, personal branding, lifestyle business, I gravitate more toward this. So when I search for that, I find people like, for example, Justin Welsh, Matt Gray, Dan Coe, Shiptery, from Dickie Bush, and Nicole, etc. I find them very interesting because they are like the person that basically I would say see myself within a couple of years as. Okay, so it doesn't mean that I have to build what they have or you have to build similar to what others have. It means that you have someone to look at and learn from of what they are doing and how you can implement it to fit your business. My business is not the same as them. Okay, I focus on design, I focus on systems, I focus on branding. They don't do that, but there's many things I can learn from them and acquire as inspiration. With that, I build my own vision of what I personally want. Okay, so with that, I want to travel, I want to explore, and I want to create. Okay, with this, I need to be able to share. All right, so this is a dream lifestyle that I have. I don't know if you have the same or you have something else, but whatever you have to be able to understand it is what is it that you want, because then you have a clear trajectory of which to focus on and goals to make. When it comes to the community, it's similar to it. So you want to hang out with like-minded individuals, and or that inspires you, and or that solves your problems. Okay, so as I said in the previous videos, that this program has been created for you not only to feel inspired and get ideas, but also to be able to share with others, also be able to get feedback. And the community is strictly, I would say, held accountable to be able to do that as well on a daily basis. So for me, to integrate that into the community, I've made it as a rule and a law for every single person within the community, including you, to be able to engage with at least 10 people from the community every single day with their posts, with their feedback, with their ideas, etc. Because this will help every single person within the community build each other up to the point that you feel like, hey, this is where I want to be. So therefore, I created the entire program onto the community platform. If I didn't have any intention, I will probably sell this as a course. You simply buy it and get the information. But I didn't want to do it like that. I want to do it where you had a community, you had a workshop so you can learn constantly, and you also had the basically a course that you can follow so you can implement. With that, the greater purpose is to help others, to provide value and to achieve a greater purpose, like in this case, to achieve freedom by contributing to others. So for you, it's going to be the same. You are going to have to build from your own perspective and desires and passion and ideas that platform for yourself. Okay, which again, we will later discuss how we'll do it and show you step by step how to do it. Okay, so the idea of you or niche of you is to hone in on a skill that you have a talent for, you have a passion for, and ask yourself, what would you be doing if you had an infinite amount of money or you had a lot of free time? What would you be doing? What is the passion in the thing that you will be doing? Is it a skill? Is it a sport? Is it a talent that you have? What is it that you'll be doing? Because keep in mind, even if you just like having conversations, you can be doing podcasts. You can be doing, I don't know, like cold email outreach because you can have conversations through email. You can be appointment setting or something. Like you can do all those things and make money with it. So that is how, for example, you can go from confused up to wanting one thing specific and get there as well. Okay, so you can achieve your goal. All right, so with that in mind, we are going to focus on is filling out these PDFs. Okay, and I'll be walking you through the PDF, but I will basically give you the PDF in a minute so you can download it and you will basically be filling out. We will work on your demand. So what is your interest and what is your trends? And after researching is done, you want to check the product or lead magnet list idea. Okay, because let's say, for example, if you have something in mind but you don't see it online, maybe you can turn it into something that you can utilize and leverage. But then you will have to look at the checklist or at least the list of ideas that you can utilize. Okay, the reason why I say this, because we want to build momentum. And the momentum comes through the vision. The vision starts from having an internal motivation. Okay, what motivates you internally? So why do you do it? Having an external decision making. So what will you do? Like what is it that you will create? And then having a purpose. What's the end goal of it? What would you like to achieve in the long run? But in order for us to achieve it, we have to have clarity. So that purpose that you have to build whatever you want to build needs to have a long-term vision. So this is how, for example, I turn all my pains and problems, I had to clean up my lab, but all my pains and problems into something worthwhile, into something I want to build, into something I want to do for the long term. And this is the snowball effect, okay? So you go from one step, then you discover yourself, then you build your brand, then you launch an offer, then you sell your offer, and then you build something greater than that, like a community. Okay, so this is basically the process that we want to implement. Now, one thing I want you to note is what you offer or how you offer it is actually, as it says here, the bridge/snowball effect that will help you gain followers and clients and achieve your desired outcome and gain clarity in return to achieve yours. Okay, so whatever you build or whatever however you provide this, is it through video, through text, to images, blah blah blah, on social media, this is the bridge that will educate your leads and clients and give them clarity. And because they get clarity, you will eventually turn them into a client and achieve your goal. Okay, so that's basically what we want to do. So the idea here is for you basically to go ahead and download these guides. Okay, basically it's one, but I want you to go through all of it because I will do a walkthrough video next to this one, and fill them out to get clarity, so you know exactly what are the pillars you can use for content, what's the lead magnet idea that you can use, and write everything down. Okay, even if you have this already, I highly recommend you please make sure you don't skip this step, because there are things that you can utilize to leverage and build your business. So I want you to write down everything so you know specifically what to do, how to do it, and what to focus on. With this, I'm gonna leave you on to the next video because we're gonna go and walk you through this PDF.